1001, 1002.
Alex, what are you doing over there? You look so serious.
Oh, hi, Amelia. Hi, everyone. I'm I'm trying to memorize this list. It's a list of the most important English words. I'm trying to learn word number 50.
Oh, Alex, put the list away, please.
But Amelia, everyone says to speak English, you need a big vocabulary. I feel like I know hundreds of words, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out. I freeze.
Alex, that is exactly why we are here today, and hello to our listeners. If you feel like Alex, if you memorize lists of words but cannot speak sentences, this episode is for you.
Really? So I don't need to learn 1,000 words?
You do need words, Alex, but the way you're learning them, that is the problem. Today, we're going to talk about why you should stop memorizing lists and start learning context.
Context. Okay, but wait, explain the problem first. Why is my list bad? It has good words. Ambition, benevolent, cacophony.
Cacophony. When are you going to use that in a coffee shop?
Okay, fair point.
Here is the problem, Alex. When you learn one word alone, like table, your brain stores it like a single brick, just one brick sitting on the floor.
Okay, one brick.
Now, imagine you have 1,000 bricks, but they're just in a pile. Do you have a house?
No, I just have a messy pile of bricks.
Exactly. Speaking English is like building a house. You need the bricks to stick together. If you just memorize lists, when you try to speak, your brain has to find every single brick individually. It is too slow.
That makes so much sense. That's why I sound like a robot. I go, I want to eat food.
Yes, because you are translating word by word. We want you to speak in chunks.
Chunks, like pieces.
Yes, in linguistics, we call them collocations or phrases. A chunk is a group of words that always go together.
Can you give me an example? A simple one.
Sure, think of the word decision.
Okay, decision. Decision. I know it.
Great. Now make a sentence.
I did a decision? No, I had a decision?
See? You know the word, but you don't know the verb that goes with it. We don't say do a decision, we say make a decision.
Ah, make a decision.
That is a chunk. So don't learn decision. Learn I need to make a decision. Learn 3 words, not 1.
I need to make a decision. That flows much better. It's faster.
Exactly. It rolls off the tongue. Alex, imagine if you learned 100 phrases instead of 1,000 isolated words. You would be speaking fluent sentences immediately.
I love that. Okay, so rule number 1, don't learn words alone. Learn phrases. What is rule number 2?
Rule number 2 is emotion and story.
Emotion.
Yes. Alex, tell me, what did you eat for lunch 3 days ago?
I have no idea.
Okay. What did you eat on your last birthday?
Oh, I had a huge chocolate cake and pizza with my best friend.
Why do you remember that?
Because it was a special day. I was happy.
Wingo! Your brain remembers things attached to emotion and context. If you look at a list of words, it's boring. Your brain deletes it.
So how do I add emotion to English vocabulary?
Don't just read a word. Create a mini story. Let's say you want to learn the word exhausted.
Exhausted. It means very tired.
Right. But don't just write exhausted equals tired. Close your eyes. Imagine you just ran 10 kilometers. Your legs hurt, you're sweating, you fall onto your bed. You say, I am absolutely exhausted.
I can visualize that. I can feel it.
If you feel it, you won't forget it.
This is great, Amelia. But for the listeners, how do they do this at home? They're sitting at their desk. What do they do?
Okay, here's a practical tip. Stop writing lists. Start writing sentences.
Give us an example.
Let's say you learn the word appointment. Don't just write the word. Write, I have an appointment, doctor, at 3 p.m.
Okay, I have a doctor appointment. And then change the grammar?
This is the secret sauce.
Change the grammar.
Yes, say it in the past. I had a doctor's appointment yesterday. Say it in the future. I will make an appointment for tomorrow. Say it as a negative. I don't have an appointment.
Wow, so from one word, I'm practicing 4 different sentences.
Yes, and you're training your mouth to speak grammar naturally. You aren't thinking about rules, you're just feeling the pattern.
You know, I feel much better. I'm going to throw this list in the trash.
Good job, Alex.
Listeners, we hope this helps you. Please stop stressing about the number of words you know. It doesn't matter if you know 10,000 words if you can't use them.
It is better to know 50 phrases that you can speak perfectly than 1,000 words that you just keep in a notebook.
So this week, try to learn phrases, not words.
And if you enjoyed this easy conversation, please subscribe to English Talk Room. We have many more tips coming for you.
Thank you for listening, guys. Keep practicing and don't be a robot.
Speak with feeling. Bye, everyone.
See ya.